one-week online faculty development program on skill development for employability and entrepreneurship, presented by Training and Placement Cell of Guru Jameshwar University of Science and Technology, Hisar, and sponsored by All India Council for Technical Education. Life skills like leadership, time management, stress management makes us to learn about responsibilities and build confidence in both spoken skills and group collaborations in a cooperation. Leader is a proactive listener. So guys, let's be a leader and learn with this session by listening it carefully. So without any further delay, I would like to call upon Assistant Director of Training and Placement Cell of Guru Jameshwar University, Hisar, Mr. Aditya Veer Singh sir, to welcome our honorable speaker, Ms. Reena Yadav.
Thank you, Rakshanda. A warm welcome to our today keynote speaker, Ms. Reena Yadav. So I'll just like to give a brief introduction about Ms. Reena Yadav. She has a vast experience of over 17 plus of experience in multiple domains like sales and marketing, human resource, customer support services, housing projects, management, training and development, Indian handicrafts, packaging. And she has worked in various designations also. Currently, she is as a general manager, sales and marketing in Sycom Codes Flexi Print Private Limited. She has been as assistant manager also, worked as supervisor, customer relationship manager. As far as studies concerned, she has done Bachelor of Arts, Maths and Economics from Delhi University. Then she has done this post-graduation diploma in management from Indian Institute of Management and Technology, Ghaziabad. And after that, she has done certification also in program in export management from Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Delhi. So she has a vast experience in many domains. So she must have a lot of knowledge also. So today she is here to share her knowledge, her experience with you, so that you will be a successful leader in coming years. So a warm welcome to Reena Yadav ji, and let's start the session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So, ma'am, you can start the session now.
Okay. So I am highly grateful to Professor Sandeep Kumar Arya, Dr. Aditya Singh, and Mr. Pratap Singh Malik for providing me this privilege to express my thoughts on the subject of life skills under Faculty Development Program on Skill Development for Employability and Entrepreneurship. So, good morning, everyone. As the sir already introduced me, I am Reena Yadav, GM Sales and Marketing at Sycom Codes Flexo Prints Private Limited. So we are a manufacturer of self-adhesive labels and have plants located at multiple locations in India. So without further delay, let us proceed further. So today we learn about the life skills. Like आप सभी ने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारा आजकल जो एक यूथ को चैलेंज आ रहा है, एक एजेड पर्सन को चैलेंज आ रहा है, एंड इन प्रोफेशनल life as well as in the personal life. So if there are certain life skills on which if we just work, then we can get away and can get the results or the life what we want. So if we say life skill, just yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. If we say for the life skill, what does it mean? So by World Health Organization, it is defined as life skills are abilities for adaptive and positive behavior that enables individuals to deal effectively with demands and challenges of everyday life. That means they are the abilities to facilitate the physical, mental, and emotional well-being of an individual. So in daily life, we are just facing so many challenges. And because of lack of these life skills, we are not able to cope up with these challenges in our daily life. So if we say about the life skills, there are many types. like self-care, decision-making, problem-solving, creative thinking, critical thinking, effective communication, interpersonal skills, managing feelings with emotions, self-awareness, empathy, assertiveness, equanimity, resilience, digital literacy, leadership, time management, stress management, SWOT analysis, and many more. So if we will start speaking for each in detail, then it will take so much time. So I have a brief introduction of initial some skills, and then will have detailed discussion on leadership, time management, stress management, and SWOT analysis. So let's start with self-care. So it is a very basic life skill which each and everyone should follow. So what does self-care mean? It is a process of self-managing your mental, emotional, and physical health. Like if you are taking proper sleep, if you are having a healthy food, if you are clean, and if you are trying to prevent yourself from the disease by your daily lifestyle, that means a self-care. So every individual have to take care of their self first so that they can take care of the others as well. Like if I'll do yoga daily. Why I do yoga daily? Because I want myself to be physically fit and emotionally strong, so that I can understand and I can take those challenges, accept those challenges, and can work on those in a very efficient manner. So the other life skill is decision making. So I have seen many of my friends, many colleagues, and my surroundings that they do so much hard work and they do each and everything on time. They are very sincere, disciplined. But when the question arises to take decision, they just back out. And it is a major problem if we don't take decision on right time. You know, so there is a value of time. If we don't take decision on right time, then we lose. We lose many of the opportunities. Like if we describe the decision making, so it's a reasonable decision, taking reasonable decisions in a timely manner. So everyone has their limited resources or options. Everything will not go as per our requirements. Okay, so there are certain available options with us, and certain certain options are beyond our control. So we have that skill in us so that we can take right decision on right time. So if you are not taking any decision, that means you are just leaving the situation the way the situation as it is. See, if a customer is calling to me that, ma'am, we would like to start business with you, okay, and I am so much busy. I am already occupied with more than 100 of customers at a right time in my job, and I have certain other responsibility also. So I missed that opportunity of taking a decision that I could like. So I did not respond to that customer in a like, sir, okay, so let's start, let's have a word. So sometimes we just delay our decisions. So if I'm engaged in something at that particular time, I have so much of responsibilities, but I have lose the opportunity of just adding one more customer into our organization. So this is a professional example which I am giving. And if suppose as a student, you have to do a course, like a particular course for your career development. So that course is a date of, you say today is the last date of that course. Okay, and you know that you have, if you will not fill that form on time, then the admission will not happen. So if you will not take that decision on that today itself, then it will impact your future because you will not get the other opportunities. So that decision making is very, very important part in daily life.
Reena ji, sorry to interrupt you, but slides are not changing actually. अगर आप स्लाइड शो कर रहे हैं तो स्लाइड फर्स्ट स्लाइड ही दिखाई दे रही है हमारे को ना, लाइव स्किल्स.
Is it, sir? I am changing slides, sir.
But these are not changing at our side, so there should be some problem of like share screen.
Okay.
You please try it again.
Okay, sir. Sir, now you can see that.
Ma'am, you can start the slides from starting.
Yeah, you can stop share screen and then again you can start.
Okay. Can you see now, sir?
You please like switch from one slide to another slide, then it. Yeah, now it is okay.
Okay. Just give me a second. So sorry for inconvenience caused to you.
Mhm.
So quick recap I will do.
Again, on which slide you are right now? Like we are looking at second slide. Slide number 2.
Problem solving now.
No, it is not appearing on our.
Ma'am, click on the slideshow.
I'll
It
do
may
that.
help. Yeah.
Yeah, now it has come on life skills.
Self-care, sir.
No, it's on the third slide.
Can you see now, sir, decision making?
No. I think you have to click manually on the slide numbers and probably if you
Okay.
can select the fourth slide. Yes, like this.
Okay, now it is okay. Decision making.
Okay, not an issue, sir. I'll go without slideshow also if it is like that, or I can individually do the same.
Okay. Now please go ahead.
So the next life skill is problem solving. Anybody can see that?
Yes.
Okay. So generally we talk about the problems always. Okay. So if we will promote problem talks frequently, then more problems will create in our surroundings. So I'll just share this thing with one of the example of my work experience. तो जनरली क्या होता है कि आपके पास वर्क प्रेशर इतना ज्यादा है और आपको बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स का एक रिक्वायरमेंट एक सर्टेन टाइम पर फुलफिल करना है एंड यू आर गेटिंग कॉल्स फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरीवन कि मेरा मटेरियल जल्दी चाहिए मैम, मेरा मटेरियल जल्दी चाहिए, ये आपका मतलब लोड्स ऑफ प्रेशर टू गेट द वर्क डन, lots of work done at a particular time. So you are just going with the management, you are going to the seniors, or being a senior, you yourself just talking about the problems that happened, ये क्यों नहीं किया, अब दूसरों पे you are starting blaming others and justifying yourself because you are not coping up with that kind of stress. Either like if you are a problem solver, see, so if you are a problem solver, then you can think the situation first, prioritize the things कि आपका अगर 10 clients है और 10 का अगर बहुत ज्यादा important है कि वो material उनको किसी भी हालत में कल देना ही है, then how you will handle that kind of situation without frustrating yourself, without putting pressure to your management and to your employees subordinates. Because if you will put pressure on them and if you will just complain that you didn't do that on time, that is why we are just facing this situation today, so it will not create any solution. Besides that, what you can do, you can discuss with your all 10 customers, can understand their priority. They must have given so many product orders, but they required only one or two particular thing, and on the other side you have limited resources in one day. So you have to discuss that thing in details and very calm and composedly with your team as well as with your customers. Make a particular like balance ki what the customer most critical thing which you can fulfill tomorrow, but if you are not able to do that, by when you can do. So through communication and through the problem solution, like you are providing the solution to your team, internal team, that okay, if you are not able to do these things in a particular day, so these are the things which you need to do on priority, which are meeting, and we are just helping them also without any putting any pressure on them. On the other side, you can make the understand the customer, sir, this is the issue, but yes, we are delivering that particular material to you tomorrow, and then you can give timelines for the other thing also. So you are providing a solution to your team and to your customers, not you, and you are not a problem creator. So in that term, this skills helps a lot, because in today's scenarios, what we are facing, like in pandemic, we were not getting so much business. Many businesses shut down, many jobs have lost. So now if the business have been boosted up, definitely that kind of pressure we will face on daily basis. But how to cope up and how to help to our team and to our customers to make the understand the situation and can get the work done as per their priorities. So we have to be problem solver, not a problem creator. The next life skill is creative thinking. So I must say creative thinker is a live person, you know. So you are not just seeing the thing in a particular manner that this work can be happened in this way only. There are many other ways what the other person can't think also. So creative thinking means it contributes to both decision making and problem solving. If you are a creative thinker, that means I'll again put that example. You just understand by yourself that how I have to handle that situation. So that creativity, that means you call the customer, ask the priority, and you communicate that priority with your team. You understand the problem of your team because they have the limited resources and time. So creative thinking will definitely help in decision making as well as providing the solution of the situation, whether like action is required in that. So critical thinking is an ability to analyze information and experience in an objective manner. Like it can also contribute to health by helping to recognize and assess the factor that influence attitude and behavior, such as values, peer pressure, and the media. The same way, like how we are handling the situation. So the next life skill is effective communication. So without any doubt, this is a very, very important life skill which every individual must learn. So if we say about the effective communication, it means that we are able to express ourselves both verbally and non-verbally by our gestures, by our body language. See, and in this context, I would also like to add one thing, like how you are communicating. It matters a lot than what you are communicating. आप एक चीज को बहुत बढ़ा चढ़ा के और एक भारी भरकम वर्डों के साथ बोल सकते हो, बट आपका वो बोलने का तरीका क्या है वो बहुत मैटर करता है. अगर आपने एक चीज सिंपल तरीके से भी किसी को कम्युनिकेट किया है, बट वो कम्युनिकेट कैसे किया है. तो सेम एग्जांपल आई टेक फर्दर कि आपने कस्टमर से बात किया और उनको एक कंडीशन बताया कि सर आपने ऑर्डर तो कल ही डाला है, आप कैसे बोल सकते हो कि आपको कल हम दे दें. सो दिस इज विल क्रिएट एन आर्ग्यूमेंट सिचुएशन. ऑन द अदर साइड आप वही चीज अपना सबॉर्डिनेट्स को बोलोगे कि मुझे कल तक ये काम करना ही है किसी भी तरीके से, बट आपने उसी चीज को दूसरे तरीके से कैसे बोला, दैट सर यू हैव just raised the order yesterday itself. So we also need time. We have the limited resources. Let us give us time. What is your priority? Just make us understand so that we can fulfill. Because customer भी एक दिन में वो पूरा प्रोडक्शन नहीं करेगा. They have their certain timelines. On the other side, आपने अपना टीम को अंडरस्टैंड किया, अपना प्लांट को अंडरस्टैंड किया, और उसके बाद आपने उनसे बात किया कि हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं इन द गिवन ऑर्डर्स. तो आपने सेम कम्युनिकेशन is the way how you are communicating and balancing the situation. So it is also, and it also make us able to express opinions and desires, you know, but also needs and fears. कि एक हमें पीछे से fear भी है कि हमें वो करना भी है, वहां से वो pressure भी है, but we have to handle through a effective communication. The next life skill is interpersonal relationship skills. So if I'll say this is like a building a relationship. Today we just speak that we should be very professional in our work culture. Okay, so if we will be very professional and we don't make a friendly environment, it will create another issue. Like we will not be able to achieve those results which we are supposed to. So if we say कि अगर एक कस्टमर से मेरा बात चल रहा है और मेरा बड़ा प्रोफेशनली एंड दे आर वेरी बिग इन द मार्केट, सो एंड उनके साथ एक जस्ट प्रोफेशनल एक मेरा रिलेशनशिप है, नथिंग फ्रेंडली, नथिंग, वी डोंट शेयर एनीथिंग टू ईच वन, वी डोंट नो, so only we just know कि आपने ये काम दिया, मुझे ये काम आपका करना है, in that kind of thing. So what will happen if something, some problem or some issue will raise at one day, so we are not able, we don't have that much of space between us so that we can express ourselves fully. So building a relationship means we are all human beings, although we are social beings. So work is aside, but we have to understand, we have to work with feelings and emotions also. So if we'll work with feelings and emotions, we can develop the relationship. And in today's scenario, we are just keeping the business with us because of this particular life skill only, because we have built up the relationship with our customers. Even if we say for our families, like we are not talking to our relatives, to our, even in the same house, we are not talking to each other. We don't have any relationship. So it will create another hurdle in our life because we would not able to connect. Being a social person, and if we are not able to connect, then there is always a gap where we will not get the desired results. So interpersonal relationship skills is also required in our life. So the next skill, if we'll say about coping with emotions. So in this context, I will say, if we will immediately react to a situation, immediately, like if something happened and we become angry, okay, and if something is happened, we are become more happy, you know, over excitement. So we sometimes take decisions which are not which will not have a good results in the future. So whatever emotions we have in a particular time, we have to give that emotion a little time, not over excitement, not so much anger, otherwise results will be different. So managing feelings and emotions includes skill for increasing internal locus of control for managing emotions, anger and stress. This may mean that we take actions to reduce the source of stress, for example, by making change of our physical environment or lifestyle. Or it may mean learning how to relax so that tensions created by unavoidable stress do not give rise to health problems. That means if we are just, if we will get angry suddenly, if something is happened, किसी से कुछ गलत हुआ और हमें पता है कि that is not correct, but we immediately react, that we become very angry. So what would happen? That our, first of all, our health will impact, and उसका जो एक दूसरा पर्सन पे जो हमने एक ओवर रिएक्शन करके एक चीज दिया, बिकॉज एक कनेक्शन है, बट इफ वी हैव जस्ट ब्रेक दैट कनेक्शन थ्रू अवर रिएक्शन, then it will take very much long time to just उसको वापस से उस कंडीशन में लाने के लिए. So that is also a very important life skill. The other one is self-awareness. So we should, first of all, just to know the other person, first of all, we have to know ourselves, like what we are liking, what we are not like disliking, what is our strength, weakness. सभी को पता होता है कि उसका क्या कमी है और वो कहाँ पे अच्छा कर सकता है. तो वो एक सेल्फ अवेयरनेस जो है, वो आपको अगर अपना क्लियर है कि मैं ऐसा हूँ और मुझे कोई अगर काम ठीक नहीं है, इमीडिएटली गुस्सा आ जाता है और मेरा रिएक्शन होगा उस चीज के लिए, then I am aware that I get angry immediately, then I can work on that. Yes, I have accepted that this is my weakness and I can work on that. Yes, but एक मुझे पता है कि I am very much expert in Excel, you know, and I can present things very well. So I know that thing. So whenever I get this opportunity to present myself, I can put it fully. तो अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है कि आप किसमें अच्छे हैं, क्या चीज हो रहा है, क्योंकि आजकल क्या है, आई हैव सीन मैनी पीपल कि उनका एक इमीडिएटली एक एक्शन होता है, because they are not aware like what is their strength and what are their weaknesses, so they are not able to work on that part. So self awareness is a very very important thing which we need to work. So if we'll say developing self awareness can help us to recognize when we are stressed or feel under pressure, so at least we can deal with the situation efficiently. So next is empathy. Empathy, that means if some other person is suffering from something and you never experienced that thing in your life, so you are not able to relate yourself with that person. So अगर कोई suppose करो ऑफिस में लेट आता है and 10 days तक वो continuously लेट आ रहा है, and you are very very punctual, आप 9 o'clock sharp time है, आप 9 o'clock ऑफिस में पहुंच जाते हैं, but that person is coming around 11:30 or something like that. So and what kind of stress or whatever he is facing, you are not aware about that. So आपका जो एक reaction होगा without knowing the things, you will react that is boss, you have to come at 9 o'clock only, this is not the time which you are coming on, in that way. But after understanding the situation of his or her, then you came to know that that particular person having a maybe health issues, maybe some family sudden family something like that, that somebody is just hospitalized, or some particular situation which he or she can't avoid in their personal life, you know. So and although the work pressure from the office, so we would not be able to just relate ourselves because we are very very punctual. So just understand what the other person is facing, what kind of situations, because हम जो पढ़े बड़े होते हैं, जो हमारा एक बैकग्राउंड होता है, सभी का एक जैसा नहीं होता है, मे बी कि उनका फैमिली बैकग्राउंड क्या है, वो कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, क्या सिचुएशन है, क्या सराउंडिंग्स है, हमारा जो एक अपब्रिंगिंग है, मे बी कि एक अच्छा इन्वायरमेंट में हुआ है, हमारा सराउंडिंग काफी अच्छा रहा है। तो हम लोगों को वो चीज अंडरस्टैंड करना जरूरी है कि बाकी का एक जो वी हैव टू जस्ट फ्रॉम द अदर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, वी हैव टू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट दे आर गोइंग थ्रू, देन वी कैन हैंडल द सिचुएशन कि ठीक है उसको टाइम से लाना है, बट फर्स्ट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट ही और शी इज फेसिंग एक्चुअली. So empathy can help us to understand and accept others. Accept means, yeah, he is like that, she is like that, who may be very different from ourselves. बिकॉज अगर सारा ही एक जैसे हो जाएंगे, पांचों उंगलियां एक जैसी नहीं है, एंड एवरीवन इज देयर वर्किंग देयर वर्क ऑन देयर ओन वे, सो विच कैन इम्प्रूव सोशल इंटरेक्शंस. अदरवाइज वो एक गैप रहेगा, आप बात ही नहीं कर पाओगे एक दूसरे के साथ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन सिचुएशंस ऑफ एथनिक एंड कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी, द एबिलिटी टू शेयर इमोशंस विद अदर्स. So for example, the ability to be genuinely happy to see another person succeed at something, ये सबसे बड़ा एक issue है आजकल के टाइम पे, कि अगर हमारा साथ में हमारा एक एम्प्लॉय है and he has joined 2 years after us and he is getting promotion or praise from everyone, and family में अगर हम बात करते हैं कि एक न्यूली वेड आई है और उनको एक प्रेज काफी मिलता है, उनसे पहले कोई एक और है, या एक आपस में भाई बहन के बीच में भी हम वो चीज देखते हैं कि एक अगर अच्छा कर रहा है तो अदर पर्सन आर प्रेजिंग, so we should also feel happy, yes, that quality, that person, and he or she deserves that thing. So although what we can do, we can also adapt that thing, we can also be happy with that person's success. It is very very important. In spite if we will just hate or something, ego or something like that we should we create in ourselves, then what will happen, it will impact on our work, not on them. So we should be empathy, like we should have empathy as a life skill in our life. So the next is assertiveness. Decide what you feel or want and say it. So be clear and say whatever you want to see. Don't think too much like how I will speak, what will be happen then if I'll speak that. So don't make so much stories in your mind. Decide and say straightforward that this is the thing. Or whenever you are speaking, just look at people eye. That means you are very much clear what you are thinking and you have already worked on the pros and cons on that particular like decision you have taken and you are telling to the other person. So you will not have any regret later on, because you are very much clear about your decision. And please don't make excuses. You know, if something is not happened and we just want to just seek a path where we can hide ourselves, you know, so because we always want to be good in others' eyes, and we never think that mistakes can be happen uh, by anyone, you know. So don't make excuses if something is not happened in your work or in your, like if you have given some commitment, so accept that thing very wisely, get back the integrity, and then start working further. You know, you can just like a problem solver. So don't make excuses if something has happened, accept it and move ahead. And if you have already decided something, but you are still just asking the other person, am I right or am I wrong? So it will create another confusion and you will not get anything in your life then. So if you have decided, you accept the pros, cons, and go. So, and sometimes in like in today's work culture, like कोविड के टाइम पे क्या है कि बहुत लोगों का फायरिंग वगैरह हुआ एम्प्लॉइज के बीच में, इवन दे हैड गुड रिलेशंस अर्लियर, बट बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दिस पॉलिटिक्स स्टार्टेड इन हाउसेज आल्सो, कि जब वर्क फ्रॉम होम हुआ काफी फ्रस्ट्रेशंस वगैरह लोगों के बीच में आया। जो लोग, क्या होता है कि जब बाहर आ जाते हैं तो एक सर्टेन सेट ऑफ रूटीन सबका होता है और अकॉर्डिंगली वो लोग फिर काम करते हैं। बट क्या हुआ, सडनली जो चेंजेस हुआ फॉर अ बिजनेसमैन, फॉर अ कंपनी एंड एट होम ऑल्सो, तो बहुत सारे आर्ग्यूमेंट्स वगैरह या बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं कि आप अपने आप को बेस्ट या जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश शुरू कर देते हो, जस्ट कि आपका पोजीशन सेव रहे एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया में। तो आपको अपना काम एंड कंपोज रहना है, एंड उनके आर्ग्यूमेंट से आपका पॉजिटिविटी के ऊपर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए। तो दैट इज असर्टिवनेस, यू नो। एंड आपका अगर कुछ गलत भी है एंड यू नो दैट आई हैव टू चेंज, आई एम ऑलवेज नॉट राइट, then you have the right and you are the only person who can change yourself. So, and it's a second, like it's a question of second. If you want to change your mind, you can do anything in a second. Don't take too much time, you know. So the next life skill is equanimity. Like, as I already informed, the ability to remain calm and composed, such that your emotions and behavior remain in a reasonable range, whatever should happen. But you should be very calm and composed so that negativity of the surroundings will not impact you. So, and the next one is resilience. Resilience means personal resilience is the ability to handle stress without derailing your well-being and productivity. For example, handling criticism at work without loss of enthusiasm and confidence. So suppose मैं बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही हूँ अपना ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, एंड आई हैव पुट सर्टेन सेट ऑफ एग्जांपल्स फॉर अदर्स आल्सो कि ऐसे काम कर सकते हैं इन शॉर्ट टाइम, और बहुत सारी चीजें अच्छा हो रहा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ मी। बट द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे माय बॉस स्टार्टेड क्रिटिसाइजिंग मी कि आपको ये नहीं आता है, एंड हाउ यू हैव डन दैट, the other person who has joined 2 days ago than you is doing very well, and he or she is very much efficient. So actually that criticism will not affect the hard work, the sincerity and the honesty, the way you are working, because you know and you are self-aware about yourself, the person you are. So these things will not impact, because otherwise what will happen, for whatever reason he or she is saying, and what kind of position he is handling, and why he is or she is saying to you may be different, but how you are taking it, like whatever, if he is saying everything right and you have accepted that, then you would be become stressed, and you would not be able to just do the things with full of your capacity. So you should be very, like, handle that criticism in a very enthusiasm and with full of confidence. So digital literacy. So everyone is aware that after COVID, पहले जैसे हम मीटिंग के लिए क्या होता था कि विदाउट फेस टू फेस मीटिंग हमारा बिजनेस क्रैक हो ही नहीं सकता था, एंड इट वाज अ वेरी मच रिक्वायरमेंट। एक कंट्री से दूसरा कंट्री में लोग जाते थे, एंड देयर आर एंड बहुत सारी चीजें क्या था कि अगर हमें बिल भी भरना है किसी चीज का और छोटे से छोटा भी काम करना है, सो पर्सनली अवर प्रेजेंस वाज देयर। But due to this COVID or pandemic time, we have learned so many new things also. So one of them is a digital literacy, like how to work with social media, how to just operate mobile in a full of efficiency, how we can make payments or whatever. Like and many of the process of companies are started online only, like you need not to go physically there, so everything can be happened on digital. Like as today's schedule also, I need not to go to the that GJU, and you need not to come over there, and it is a good also for everyone because it is just saving our time, energy. So digital literacy means having the skills you need to live, learn and work in a society where communication and access to information is increasing through digital technologies like internet platforms, social media and mobile devices. So we have to learn these things, and sometimes I would also like to add, because there are other departments also have joined this session, कि आजकल का जो यंग जनरेशन है, दे आर वेरी मच कंप्यूटर सेवी एंड दे नो हाउ टू ऑपरेट मोबाइल्स वेरी वेल, मोर देन अस इवन. सो बीइंग अ सीनियर, लाइक वी शुड नॉट अवॉइड दैट कि वो जूनियर कर लेगा या फिर इतना जरूरत नहीं है एंड वी आर गोइंग टू रिटायर, बिकॉज इन अपकमिंग टाइम इट्स अ डिजिटल टाइम ओनली. So at least we are not required to just learn in deep, but basic computer, basic social media handling like LinkedIn, like आपका Facebook है या Twitter है, we should aware because they are a major source of advertisement, marketing, expressing or putting your things. So that the other, क्योंकि अभी क्या है, फिजिकली वो प्रेजेंस जो है वो इतना कम हो गया है, एवरीबडी इज जस्ट सर्चिंग. अगर हमें कुछ आज अगर एक छोटा सा आइटम भी अगर खरीदना है, we just avoid to go to the market, and because we don't have that much time, so what we do, we just open the Amazon, we open the Flipkart and then see the things, and we have many options. Like हो सकता है कि वो मार्केट में अवेलेबल नहीं है, but on a very click we just order it, and the very next day or 2-3 days we'll get the product as per our choice. So digital literacy is also plays a great role. So I hope I'm not just taking too much theoretical. I'm just adding some of my personal experiences also. Now start with the leadership. So what is leadership? So let's start with some quotes. Like, leadership is not about titles, positions or flowcharts. It's about one life influencing others. So like what? If I'm at CEO level or a director level, or I have a very like name, fame in the environment, and but if I'm not able to influence anyone, you know, I am not able to just make a changes in others' life, then leadership is not there. The other quote is that of Sir Barack Obama: change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. We are the one we have been waiting for. We are the change that we seek. If we want to change something, that we should not expect that change from other person. You know, we are the one who can make that change. So leaders don't create followers, they create more leaders, by Tom Peters. So generally क्या होता है कि हम किसी एक सीनियर पोजीशन पे हैं और हमारे अंडर में काफी स्टाफ है, एंड वी हैव सो मेनी अथॉरिटीज, तो हम एक डिक्टेटरशिप में आ जाते हैं, डोमिनेशन उसमें आ जाते हैं कि जैसा मैंने बोला है वैसे ही करना है. बट एज एक अच्छा जो लीडर होता है, वो चाहता है कि मेरे जैसे बहुत सारे और लीडर्स हों, सो दैट दे कैन वर्क independently and can create more leaders than that. तभी तो growth होगा ना हम लोगों का. So leadership means it is the knack of getting people to do something you want done, making them believe that they want to do it by persuasion and example without use of power of office or pressure. And it is the art of influencing and directing men in such a way as to obtain their willing obedience, confidence, respect, and loyal hope in other to accomplish a mission. तो हम leadership का एक क्या quality है कि हमें काम कराना है. We know that we have certain target कि वो चीज हमें करना है accomplish, but लीडरशिप क्वालिटी इज दैट कि बाकी जो दूसरा पर्सन जिससे हम वो काम करवाना चाह रहे हैं, जिस कम्युनिटी से वो हम काम कराना चाह रहे हैं, दे आर डूइंग दैट थिंग विलिंगली, नॉट बाय एनी प्रेशर, नॉट बाय एनी डिक्टेटरशिप. सो मैनेजमेंट एंड लीडरशिप, so these are the two terms which are different from each other, and when we combine these two terms we can create miracles. Like if we say leadership without management, it is only a direction that other person have to follow, okay, and management without leadership means उनका काफी ज्यादा जो ध्यान रहेगा कि वो कैसे अचीव करेंगे उस न्यू, considering too much how the new direction is going to be achieved. So if we combine both, we can set new directions as well as manages the resources to achieve it. Because we have limited resources, but we can just, if we combine leadership along with the management, we can create the results what we want. So in 21st century, what are the challenges of leadership? So like earlier, we used to live in a joint families, maybe 10, 15, 20 people live together and they have their set of belief, behavior, attitude, different things were there. So there, and we learn those life skills in our house only. But now we are living in a nuclear family, or we are just living separately from the family. So these qualities we are not able to find. So that वो क्यों हुआ है? क्योंकि अवेयरनेस बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है आजकल. जो एक एजुकेशन का लेवल है वो बहुत बढ़ गया है, टेक्नोलॉजी काफी एडवांस हो गया है, एक जो कम्युनिकेशन वगैरह है या फिर एक आपका जो एक मटेरियलिस्टिक प्रेफरेंस है, देन फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशंस, वो काफी चीजों में चेंजेस आया है. तो एक लीडर्स के लिए वो एक चैलेंज है कि वो इन सब का होते हुए हाउ ही कैन डील विद द सिचुएशन, बिकॉज वो उसको लर्न करना पड़ रहा है बाय एक्सपीरियंस. बचपन में क्या होता था, जब आप एक जॉइंट फैमिली में रह रहे हो तो बहुत सारी चीजें आपको ऑटोमेटिकली, यू नीड नॉट टू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड, यू आर लर्निंग बाय सीइंग इन योर फैमिलीज. सो व्हाट फैक्टर्स विल मेक लीडर्स इफेक्टिव इन द 21st सेंचुरी? क्या कर सकते हैं लीडर्स जो उनको एक सेपरेट कर सकता है बाकी लोगों से? लाइक देयर इज नो अदर सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ honesty, sincerity, devotion to duty, and above all the responsibility. If we'll accept the responsibilities, now we will not blame others. Yes, if something is happened, it is because of us, because we were not able to do or get the work done the way we wanted. So it is, we are accepting that responsibility. Yes, and if we want to get the results done from others, then we have to train also. Now we cannot only just order them and then expect the results, like you have to do it by tomorrow, then please. But if we are not training them, if we are not guiding them, so being a good leader, you have to be a good guider also. Like, and professional competence is also there. Like if you know how the things are happening and how what all are required for that particular task, so you can, like, whatever you know, you have to give. When you give, that will come in double to you, you know. And justice with your work means आपका 9 से 5 का अगर जॉब है ना, एज अ स्टूडेंट अगर आपको एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है, एंड एज अ होम मेकर अगर आपको अपनी ड्यूटीज करनी है, तो उसका आप खुद आपको जस्टिफाई करना है अपने साथ, नॉट विद अदर्स. लाइक यू शुड बी वेरी लॉयल टू योर वर्क. And yes, definitely there are many tactics. Being a leader, you need to learn. Like there are many person to whom you have to behave or react differently. You know, you can't behave every person in a same manner. So you have that kind of skill with you that you can understand the mind setup of the other person and can get the work done. And yes, आपको बंदों को समझना आना चाहिए कि यस, सामने जो मेरे हैं वो किस लेवल पे है और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू रिएक्ट, ना कि तुम्हारा पोजीशन के हिसाब से आपको रिएक्ट करना है या आपका जो आपको आता है उसके हिसाब से. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द माइंड सेटअप ऑफ द अदर पर्सन. So basic values of leaders in 21st centuries are social cultural awareness, compassion, concerns for welfare.
Reena ji, the slides are not moving again.
Is it?
Yeah. It got stuck on 18th.
18th, okay. 28th, I'm 20 at 28th, just.
Okay, it got stuck on 18th.
Now, are you able to see that?
Yes, now we can see the 28th.
Okay.
I think manually you have to click to change the slides.
Okay, okay, okay. I'll take care of this.
Okay.
Can you see 27?
Yes.
Okay, so what are the basic values of leaders in 21st century? So it is a socio-culture awareness. That means social and cultural, like how to react with the requirement of that particular culture. और compassion, you know, concern for welfare. आपको अगर concern ही नहीं है कि ठीक है जो भी चल रहा है हो रहा है होने दो, why should I take concern about that? So it's not a quality of leader. So if you are thinking for the well-being of others, your well-being will automatically happen. And communication skills, already I explained earlier that how it impacts and what is the importance of effective communication. Interpersonal skills, again, the building a relationship. So a good leader always believe in building a relationship, and then other things will come after that. Once you make a good relationship with the other person, definitely the work will happen automatically. You need not to do any specific things from your end. So leading from front, if I'm sitting idle and I'm just ordering and everything, and if I'm not doing anything on that part, so if you are a leader, then you have to take the initiative. You have to lead. Like first you have to show them like, yes, this can be happened and how it can be happened. So by personal example, you can understand them that yes, you can also do. And you should not be selfish. You know, being a good leader, you should not be selfish. You have to see the other person requirement first. And what are the characteristics of a leader? That leader should be courageous and should take initiative, and that willpower is there. So, and a good leader is always accept the changes, and he tries to learn every time, you know, and able to master the complexity of advanced technology, ability to adjust rapidly to fast paced actions, flexibility, you know. We should not be, a good leader should not be very rigid that ऐसा ही होना है, ऐसे ही करना है. So according to the situation, according to the requirement or demand, that flexibility should be there in a leader, and after all, decision making on a right time. And versatile mind, which is not cluttered by rigid mindset. Ability to use available resources to achieve organization, company objectives, and audacity means should be bold. Sometimes we have to take decisions very boldly, whether the other person is liking or not liking. So that leader should have that much quality also. So now we are coming to the next life skill, that is time management. So we are also running time, and I have to close it fast. So the time management is there. So what is time management? Time management refers to managing time effectively so that the right time is allocated to the right activity. So if we have 100 of tasks and I have to do every task on time, then if I'll start doing that task without time management, I will stuck up in between, and out of 100, I would be able to only do or complete 10 or 20 tasks. So time management is very much important skills in today's scenario, because if we see, we have lots of work pressure and many responsibilities, whether it is personal or professional. So without time management, we can't achieve those responsibilities. So why we need that time management? Because we have to save time, we have to reduce stress. Otherwise, if we'll complete only 10-20 tasks and 80 tasks are left, or stress will automatically create it. Then to function efficiently and effectively, to increase our work output and to have more control over our job responsibilities. So how to use time effectively? So everything required a effective planning. So if we'll start something without planning, so we'll stuck up and we'll lose. And setting goals and objectives. So we have to be certain goals and objectives in our life which we want to achieve. If we don't have any goal, then where we are going? So again we stuck up. Setting deadlines. If you are not setting deadlines or timelines, you will not able to manage your time and you will not complete the task. Delegation of responsibility. This is very, very important in time management. So if you have 100 of tasks and you are thinking कि ये सब मैं ही कर लूंगा, है ना, कि मैं दूसरे को वो देना ही नहीं है काम. अगर हम एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट में भी अगर देखते हैं, या फिर हम अपना बिजनेस में देखते हैं, या कंपनीज में देखते हैं, या घर में भी देखते हैं कि टू बिकम अ गुड लुकिंग, यू नो, और मुझे सब कुछ अपना हाथ में ही रखना है, वी आर नॉट डेलीगेटिंग द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, then everyone has their own limits. So this is a very, very important, that delegate your responsibility. In 100 of tasks, maybe 10 tasks will be of a particular department or a particular person which you can delegate, and you have to just make a balance that how you delegate the responsibilities and accountable the other person for that responsibility. In house also, अगर आपने सारा कुछ करना है, being a working man or woman, you will not able to cope up with those. So delegate that this is the responsibility which you will have to bear, and everyone can combinedly make a fulfill all the requirements. And prioritize activities as per their importance. कि पहले क्या काम जरूरी है. Like क्या है कि आज मेरा मीटिंग है 10:30 का, सपोज आज मुझे 10:30 पे मीटिंग में जाना है, और बच्चे का 7 o'clock स्कूल है, तो मुझे अपना टास्क जो है या एक्टिविटीज है प्रायोरिटाइज करना पड़ेगा कि पहले मेरा क्या काम इम्पोर्टेंट है. एंड एट दिस टाइम अगर उसको 7 o'clock जाना है स्कूल बच्चे को, और मुझे 10:30 पे जाना है, व्हाट इज माय फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि वो 7 o'clock तक मैं उसके लिए सब कुछ जो भी उसका एक पर्टिकुलर रिक्वायरमेंट है चाइल्ड का, वो फुलफिल करूं. And at this time I have to leave the house so that I can be there in the meeting at 10:30 sharp. But in between अगर कोई कॉल आता है कि मैम अभी ये वाला काम भी करना है, तो I can postpone that work for a particular time because I have already scheduled 2 things. So you need always to prioritize your activities or spending the right time on the right activity. So if अगर मुझे एक टेंडर सपोज मिला है ऑफिस में और देयर डेडलाइंस कि वो कल तक है, और मेरे पास बाकी 10 कस्टमर्स का ऑलरेडी एक टास्क आया हुआ है, तो अगर मैं वो टास्क टेंडर में ना लगा के और जस्ट टू सॉल्व द अदर 10 पर्सन्स कंप्लेंट्स, तो आई एम लूजिंग एवरीथिंग. यू नो, टेंडर का टाइम एक है, वो मुझे करना ही है. सो आपको राइट टाइम राइट चीज के लिए लगाना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर स्टूडेंट्स की मैं बात करूं, अगर वो पढ़ाई अगर उनके आज का टाइम में जरूरी है, कल एग्जाम है, एंड दे आर जस्ट गोइंग टू द मार्केट, दे आर स्पेंडिंग देयर टाइम एंड दे आर हैविंग फन, तो अगर जो कल का अगर वो एग्जाम में प्रिपरेशन किया ही नहीं है, तो व्हाट वुड बी द रिजल्ट? We can go. So accordingly, spending the right time on the right activity is also very important. The process of time management starts with post your time, making activities look goal setting, planning, prioritizing, or scheduling. So we'll explain. I'll explain this in our slides. How to use time effectively. So as I told you that planning is the first step of everything. So effective planning plays a great role in using time effectively and setting goals and objectives, setting deadlines, delegation of I think I have already cleared this. Yeah, spending the right time on the right activity. So how you will cost your time? So if you would like to calculate like how, where you are standing now. So cost per year, there is a formula, you know, how much salary you are getting, how much taxes you are paying, what is your office space. You can remove this point if you are don't have any, like if you are an employee. So or office equipment, profit you generate. So salary, taxes, and cost per year means work per hour. So you can calculate your hourly rate. So where you are standing. So then इसको एक सैलरी से हम एक एम्प्लॉय का डिफाइन करते हैं एग्जांपल को. एक एम्प्लॉय का सैलरी सपोज करो 4 लाख है क्लरिकल लेवल पे, और वो अपना टाइम अलग अलग एक्टिविटीज में एक नॉर्मल रूटीन की तरह फॉलो कर रहा है. So that is why he or she is getting 4 lakhs only. But in spite of spending that time, अगर वो कुछ नई एक एक्टिविटी में या कुछ स्किल में लर्न करने में लगा रहा है, वो अपना ऑफिस के अंदर एफिशिएंसी से या कुछ एक नई स्किल्स जो रिक्वायरमेंट है और उसको सीखने में लगा रहा है, तो दैट सैलरी में बी 4 से 6 भी हो सकता है, 7 भी हो सकता है, 8 भी हो सकता है, बट डिपेंड्स हाउ यू आर जस्ट मैनेजिंग योर टाइम, ऑन विच एक्टिविटीज यू आर मैनेजिंग टाइम. So making activities log means how it will help you make a realistic estimate of the time spent during the day on job orders, pinpoint the critical areas, time spent on low value jobs. आप एक particular इसको एक activity से भी कर सकते हो, आप एक डायरी बना सकते हो घर में. Although मैं भी ये काम करती हूँ कि एक आपका डायरी में पर्टिकुलर आपने लॉग बनाया और उसमें क्या क्या करना है आपको, आपने वो चीज मेंशन कर लिया. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे व्हेन यू जस्ट मेंशनिंग ऑल द डिटेल्स इन दैट, तो आप देखते हो कि आपका टास्क आपने 15 डिसाइड किया था, बट यू हैव कंप्लीटेड ओनली 5 टास्क. तो आपने कहाँ पे वो एनर्जी वेस्ट किया? तो वो आपका लो वैल्यू जॉब्स पे है. सो यू कैन वर्क ऑन दैट कि यहाँ पे एनर्जी लाइक क्या है कि मेरे को एक मेल ड्राफ्ट करना है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और वहां पे मेरे पास बीच में मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं, कॉल आ रहे हैं. So I am putting my energy over attending the calls and just responding the messages. और जो एक important मेरा drafting वाला part है, because in drafting you need a concentration, but I am spending my time over all other things also. So क्या होगा कि drafting भी हमारा मेरा expand हो जाएगा, और मैं जो एक respond उन लोगों को कर रही हूँ, that can be delayed also ना. तो आपको वो एक बैलेंस बनाना होगा, एंड यू हैव टू बी मोर फोकस एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग एंड व्हाट इज योर प्रायोरिटी. फाइंडिंग द हाई यील्डिंग टाइम ऑफ आवर डे. सो नेक्स्ट इज द गोल सेटिंग. सो व्हाई वी रिक्वायर्ड गोल सेटिंग एंड सेटिंग लाइफ टाइम गोल्स क्यों चाहिए हम लोगों को? बिकॉज दे विल हेल्प आवर लाइफ कोर्स एंड आवर करियर पाथ. तो ब्रेक अप योर लाइफ टाइम गोल्स इन अ स्मॉलर गोल्स. अगर मैंने सोचा हुआ है कि आफ्टर 5 years मुझे ये चीज यहाँ पर एक स्टैंड होना है या एक पोजीशन पाना है, या एक एज अ स्टूडेंट मैं अगर 5 years के बाद एक पर्टिकुलर कोर्स कर रही हूँ, व्हाई आई एम डूइंग दैट कोर्स, व्हाई हैव जॉइंड दिस कोर्स देन, है ना. और अगर मेरा कॉलेज फिनिश हो जाता है, वेयर आई हैव टू गो. तो अगर वो एक आपका एम है, मैं आई पुट इट इन अ एग्जांपल कि मेरा डॉटर आर्मी में जाना चाहती है एंड शी इज इन 9th स्टैंडर्ड नाउ. तो उसने वो गोल एक बहुत क्लियर अपना विजन बनाया हुआ है. बट क्या है कि आर्मी में जाना, अभी तो एनडीए भी इस साल से ओपन हो गया है कि परमानेंट कमीशन मिलेगा गर्ल्स को भी. तो अगर वो आज से वो स्मॉलर गोल्स में उसको कन्वर्ट नहीं करेगी, लाइक टू बिकम एन आर्मी ऑफिसर, but to become an army officer, what all skills she must have so that she can get that designation at a particular point, she has to break these things. First of all, she is very good in the academic, and only not in academic, she has to develop many other skills also in her so that she can get. अब उसमें भी क्या है कि अगर academic में अच्छा होना है, तो उसमें आपको 2 एग्जाम्स होंगे. मैथ्स फर्स्ट होगा, तो मैथ्स में यू शुड बी वेरी वेरी, ऐसा नहीं कि वो हिंदी में मेहनत कर रही है और उसको मैथ्स में उसको एग्जाम देना है। तो हम उस छोटे छोटे गोल्स को अकम्प्लिश करते हुए अपने बड़े गोल को पूरा कर सकते हैं। एंड मेक अ डेली टू डू लिस्ट, इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीवन, फॉर मी, फॉर यू, फॉर अ स्टूडेंट, कि अगर हमने एक दिन में सुबह का शुरुआत होता है एंड वी डोंट नो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन द एंटायर डे, so we will leave so many works without any results. So make a daily to do list and prioritize, कि उसमें भी priority आपको देना पड़ेगा to do list में कि मेरा इस टाइम पर मुझे ये टास्क करना है। So revise and update your list on daily basis and judge your performance. और उस पे ऐसा नहीं कि हमने लिस्ट बना लिया और उस पे हम डेली काम कर रहे हैं, नहीं कर रहे हैं, just for टिक टिक कर रहे हैं। We have to evaluate ourselves so that we can work and improve. So planning, draw action plan, a list of things that need to be done to achieve your goals, that I have already explained. Scheduling, that means make a realistic estimate of how much you can do. So everyone has their capacity or limitations. If we work beyond our limitations, then again we stuck up with no results. So plan to make the best use of available time. Everyone has 24 hours, but how we are spending our time matters a lot. PM के पास भी अभी जो है वो 24 hours है, but how he is managing. बाकी जो एक पोजीशन पे हैं लोग, they have so many responsibilities. How they are managing their, so because of the scheduling. Reserve some contingency time to deal with unexpected jobs and minimize stress by avoiding over commitment by yourself and others. अगर आपने commitment कर दिया कि सर ये भी हो जाएगा, ये भी हो जाएगा, yes 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 yes, then you are just not giving a right input. If you know that you have already over occupied and this task will take that much time, so be clear and don't commit if you are not able to do that. समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि हम घरों में भी बच्चों को बहुत सारा कमिटमेंट कर देते हैं, ऑफिस में भी बोल देते हैं, हम उसको फिर क्या करते हैं, डिले करते हैं या फिर काम को करते ही नहीं है। तो वी आर जस्ट लूजिंग अवर वर्ड्स। अगर हम वर्ड्स को करेंगे, nobody will just trust on us then. The next is achieve your goals. So be your own judge and your own motivator. Just don't wait or expect anything from others, because you are the only one who can judge yourself more than the other person. Make time management your tool for success. Aditya ji, I think slides are, you can see the slides now.
Yes.
Yeah. So use your time wisely. Time is what we want most, but what we use worst. You know, so these are some of the quotes. The key is not spending time, but in investing, because whatever activity we are spending time, we are not only spending time, we are investing ourselves in that. So whatever is the investment output or जो उसका return होगा वो वैसे ही होगा. Make use of time, let not advantage slip. So now come to the stress management. So that is very, very important life skill which everyone has to learn these days, because everyone, not only, it is a worldwide, there is a stress everywhere, like how we will cope up with this pandemic or the results of the pandemic situation. So stress is what? Stress can be defined as our emotional, mental, physical, and social reaction to any perceived demands or threats. These demands or threats are called stressors. Stressors may be multiple types, which I'll describe in later slides. Like some truths about stress. So if you are stressed, that means this is not a negative thing. You know, sometimes stress is also very a positive impact. Like if you have to complete one task in a particular time, so it is motivating you also. It will creating a skill in you that you have to create that activity in a particular time. So all stress are not harmful, and there is no life without stress. You know, everyone is just facing stress in. Sometimes क्या होता है कि अगर हम stress की बात करें तो किसी को खाना बनाने का भी है कि आज क्या बनाना है. So I'll there is no definition of stress कि वो किसको किस बात से stress हो सकता है. There are a huge list. Anybody can be stressed for anything, you know, cannot be avoided, and we can't avoid stress. It will come. We have to deal with this. We have to accept and deal. Stress kills, not hard work. If you have taken stress, there is no solution. But yes, if you are keep continuing doing, moving ahead, then you will overcome after some time with the stress. And stress is an individual experience. It may be very person to person. So some of the stressors are like personal stress, financial stress, relation, and occupational. If we say for the personal stress, that means somebody has criticized you and there are lots of competition in the market which you have to compete, and physical discomfort. So physical and financial, like materialistic outlook, job loss, alternate job. So these kinds of stress we are facing nowadays. And relation, that means as I explained earlier, in joint family, there were so many good skills which we learned by us automatically, but in the nuclear family, we are just losing all those skills now. And homesickness, like students who are living away from their families. So that kind of relation stress they are facing. And poor relations, if they are living with families also, if we are living in our joint family also, but still we don't have that kind of relationship with our families, so we feel stress. And occupational life, monotony, if we are doing a same job daily basis, so that kind of stress can be occurred, like. And if you have overload of the work, unwanted feelings, strict discipline, so these are the stress creators. So how to react to the stress, like how to we react to the stress, like we feel tensed, we suddenly get anger, and we started worrying about the things and anxiety, and ultimately go in depression. So stress, so at this time we need stress management, you know, to deal all these stressors we need stress management. And what does it mean? Managing stress is about making a plan to be able to cope up effectively with daily pressures. The ultimate goal is to strike a balance between life, work, relationship, and relaxation and fun. So in our life, if we don't have any fun, so we are just doing our job daily, we are going to office, coming back to home, just the same time we are spending with the child. So it will also again after some time, because being a social person and being a human being, we need change. We need change in taste, in our activity, in our hobbies. So that fun should be there. Like I see that many persons are doing everything, but there's a lack of fun in their life. Fun, that means if you are not pursuing your hobbies also, you are just joined some job, you have started some business and you got engaged, but you are not doing something which you makes you happy internally. So that also a stress creator. So managing stress means be aware that you are stressed. That self-awareness should be there, that yes, you should be able to understand that, like, yes, you are stressed, and then only you are able to work on that stress part. So identify what is causing you stress. If you are aware, then only you can identify and then apply the stress management method. So stress management techniques, few of the techniques like time management, which I explained you, physical exercise and fresh air. So this is very, very important, this physical exercise, fresh air, and the healthy diet. And above all, the positivity. So positivity is the thing, like which you can, if you are the positive person, you can have life skills in you automatically, because your perspective or the thinking process is changed when you are positive. You are just seeing the things in a different manner, you know, and those skills will automatically inculcate in your behavior. So, and healthy diet. So today we are like today's scenario, we are just having outer food and not having healthy diet, that will also and we feel sick, and we will welcome many diseases in the future. So again, that stress will come in one day or the other day. And physical exercise, if you are so busy, but you have to spend at least 30 minutes daily for yourself. See, self-care is very, very important thing. If you are not caring yourself, how you will manage the other or the outer environment? So take care of yourself first, and then you can take care of others. Organizing academic life, not delaying. You know, if you have to do a certain task in a particular time, you please don't delay that. You do it in a timeline manner, like you can make a to-do list as I informed you earlier. And yes, a proper sleep, 6 to 7 hours is required very much. And sometimes for a change, you have to go out in a with family or friends, so that you will be stress free. So like I'll also just put some of the highlights, like how you can manage the stress. Like, be aware that you are stressed. That means look out for signs of stress, such as if you are feeling headache, sleeplessness, sadness, excessive worrying, nervous, etc. Only when we are aware कि हम स्ट्रेस में हैं, और आपने जब अवेयर कर लिया उसको कि यू आर स्ट्रेस्ड बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दीज साइंस, देन हाउ यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई, सो फाइंड आउट द रीजंस फॉर योर स्ट्रेस. सो मे बी कि वो हो सकता है आपका एग्जाम होने वाला है, मे बी हो सकता है फैमिली से कोई प्रेशर आ रहा है आपको, हो सकता है कि मॉनेटरी कोई आप लोगों को मतलब इश्यूज आ रहे हैं, और कोई रिक्वायरमेंट है जो आप फुलफिल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, और मे बी हो सकता है कि आपने काफी दिन से बाहर का ही खाना खाया है, तो एक छोटा सा भी एक रीजन हो सकता है आपके स्ट्रेस क्रिएटर मतलब. और देन फिर वो अप्लाई कैसे करना है स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट, दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड इन डिटेल. So when you are stress free, then you are able to work independently. How you can work independently? Because you are self-aware, you are monitoring yourself, and you are correcting yourself. And now you know that what you need to do. And you are taking initiative also. So you become independent. And if you are recognizing your mistakes or not blaming others, in that way also you can be stress free, and having the ability, and the main thing, you are always ready to learn new things. So if you are focused and if you are trying to learn many new things, then your mind will be distracted from the negativity and you will become more positive. So these are the stress management, and the last topic is the SWOT analysis. So I will explain SWOT analysis through an example of Pearls candy. You must all have heard about the Pearls candy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let me explain that case study in a very short time to you. Like in April 2015, the Dharampal Satyapal group introduced a new hard-boiled candy in 3 states in India. The candy named Pearls have a distinguished raw mango flavor and a spicy tangy taste. It quickly became popular. Within 2 years, Pearls candy surpassed 3 billion in sales and became the leader in the hard-boiled candy segment, beating leading national and international brands. So the company achieved all of this with a small advertising budget and a very little promotion. Rather, the candy's success was largely a result of word of mouth and interest on social media. So they did not do they did not spend so much on advertisement and the marketing, but how it explored through the word of mouth. Demand exceeds supplies, and when it started, other competitors were beginning to launch similar and poorly limited products, and same type of products. Like when it has, their market has grown up in the market, so the other competitors have come into the light and they have started producing the same kind of product. So what we can say, how could the group sustain the sales momentum of Pearls? Should it extend the Pearls brand to other formats or flavors and into other product categories? Should it take the candy to overseas market? So initially they introduced only 3 flavors, mango, orange and caramel in the market. So in this case study, what we found, like what was the strength of that DS group? They have started with the brand name of DS group, makers of Pass Rajnigandha. You are all aware, na, Rajnigandha. So they got that publicity very quickly and very strong word of mouth publicity. And distribution network of DS group was among 8,50,000 retails. So that is their strength actually, and that candy has a unique taste as well as packaging. So and they kept the price of their candy ₹1, although at that time the other candy's price was 50 paisa. So because of the different taste and some weight also they increased. Generally the other candy's weight was 2 or 2.5, but they kept their candy weight is just to justify the rate is 4 grams. So surprise element was there in that candy, that particular different taste. So what are the weakness? They have only 3 flavors: mango, orange, and caramel. So they and it has limited presence in the market at that time. So this is the weakness of DS group, and comparatively high price compared to other candies in the same segment. So these are the weaknesses which they found. And what are the opportunities? So they had the huge scope for increase the market or penetrate कर सकते थे ये बाकी markets में भी, और huge scope of increasing variety of flavors, but due to the limitation of 3 flavors वो एक चीज उनका वहां पे growth नहीं मिल पाया उनको उतना, and they could tie up with the restaurants also. So these are the 3 basic opportunities which the DS group found. And the last one is threats. What other threats? When they were not able to make the production as per the demand, the other competitors came and then started making the similar products. Like have you seen that Parle Kacha Aam also of the same taste? So consumers wanting new taste and experience. अगर हम एक ही चीज को बार बार यूज करते हैं, being a human nature, we want a change after certain time, whether it is a very good at a particular time, but it is not that much good at that later on. So other cheaper candies क्या था कि वो जब 50 पैसे में बाकी कैंडीज मिल रहा है और इसका 1 रुपए में है, तो जो हमारा पॉपुलेशन है कई बार वो चीज में भी चाहता है कि वो एक थ्रेट उनको हमेशा रहता था कि वेदर ये लोग लेंगे या नहीं लेंगे इतना 1 रुपए में. तो ये उनका हमेशा से थ्रेट रहा है. एंड डिक्रीज इन डिमांड व्हेन कंज्यूमर्स गेट यूज्ड टू द टेस्ट. सेम वही कि आप अगर एक ही चीज को बार बार खाएंगे तो आपका टेस्ट रिड्यूस हो जाएगा एंड पीपल विल देन सीक फॉर अ चेंज और फॉर अ न्यू टेस्ट. So what conclusion we found with this case study is expert market research and word of mouth led to the growth of Pearls and increased penetration and exploitation of distribution network. Company invest heavily in R&D and is a factor, तभी वो success मिला उसको. And company needs to increase production to meet the demands. तो वो तभी और उसको बाकी flavors को भी अपना add करना पड़ेगा ताकि वो अपना एक मार्केट में बिजनेस को इंक्रीज कर पाए. तो these are the SWOT analysis example. So what is SWOT analysis? SWOT analysis enable us to identify our organization's strength and weaknesses, possible opportunities and potential threats. So in terms of simple way, how we can describe the SWOT analysis? Like strength. Strength means what do you do well? What unique resources can you draw on, or what do others see on your strengths? So, and on the other terms, what is weaknesses? So what could you improve? Where do you have fewer resources than others? What are the other likely to see as weakness? So these are the few of the examples where you can put in your SWOT analysis and can get like where you are where is your strength, where you are lacking, and that opportunity is like what opportunities are you open with, what all the resources do you have, and how you can use or how you can change that particular resource in a different manner and can get the results. And threats, that means what threats could harm you. See, maybe competitors, what they are doing, and what is your competition doing, what threats do you weakness exposed to you. So that kind of certain examples of SWOT analysis. So we learned today so many life skills, and in the end, I would just close this session with one of my own written poem, Vyaktitva Ho To Ho Aisa. So it will include all the life skills if that a particular person must have, so that he can get success in life. So if you have permission, sir, I can start, or I can share this thought with the audience.
Yes, please. Yes.
Yeah. So व्यक्तित्व like personality. So क्या personality होना चाहिए एक individual का? तो व्यक्तित्व क्या होता है? व्यक्तित्व के अंदर वे सभी तत्व हैं जिससे एक पर्सन की छवि उभरती है। व्यक्तित्व हो तो हो ऐसा जिसे देखकर किसी और को ना देखने की आस हो, चेहरे पर एक मुस्कान हो, मधुर जिसकी जुबान हो, दिल सदा दूसरों पर कुर्बान हो, लीडरशिप, आंखों में दिव्य रोशनी हो, हाथ सदा मदद के लिए तैयार हो, जिसका कार्य करवाने का साधन प्यार हो, न कि हथियार हो, कदम उन्नति की तरफ अग्रसर हो, जिसका तन मन धन सब उस ईश्वर पर कुर्बान हो, मन में वासनाओं की चाह न हो, हर तरफ आपसी प्रेम का प्रवाह हो, दुख से चेहरे पर शिकन न हो, खुशी आने से न ही उसमें मगन हो, बैलेंसिंग ऑफ इमोशंस, रहन सहन हमेशा सरल हो, आशा के साथ समस्याओं से जूझना ही उसका कर्म हो, मन में न कोई उधेड़ बुन हो, बस हर पल एक सुकून हो, ईर्ष्या का जहां कोई स्थान नहीं हो, ऐसा व्यक्तित्व जिसमें कोई अभिमान नहीं, संघर्ष करना ही स्वाभिमान हो, ईमानदारी ही ईमान हो, जिसके लिए सब एक समान हो, सदा आगे बढ़ना और बढ़ाना ही काम हो, मुश्किल कार्य को सहजता से निपटाना दूसरों के लिए यही उसका प्रमाण हो, दूसरों की खुशी में बसी उसकी जान हो, इंद्रिया जिसके वश में हो ऐसा व्यक्तित्व जिसकी हर तरफ चाह हो, खुशियों के बीज जो बोता रहे, फूलों की तरह जो महकता रहे, चेहरा भी फूलों सा सदा खिला रहे, दिल जिसका बाग बाग हो, जिसका जीवन सदा बसंत ऋतु से आबाद हो, विचारों की ठंडी बौछारें होती रहे, बस सभी के मन में यही आस रहे, हमारा भी ऐसा व्यक्तित्व हो। ऐसा होना मुश्किल है, नामुमकिन नहीं, ऐसा कोई समस्या नहीं जिसका इस दुनिया में हल नहीं, हे मनुष्य खुद में तनिक परिवर्तन लाओ, जो यह अनमोल जीवन मिला है उसको एक सुंदर व्यक्तित्व बनाओ, कोशिश तो कर देख लो, साथ में उस ईश्वर को ध्यान में लो, सांसारिक वस्तुएं तो केवल क्षण भर सुख देती है, मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग विल हेल्प फॉर अ टाइम बीइंग, अच्छे व्यक्तित्व की छवि दूसरों को ही नहीं स्वयं को भी मोह लेती है, हे ईश्वर मुझे व्यक्तित्व दे ऐसा, हे ईश्वर मुझे व्यक्तित्व दे ऐसा, देखकर हर दिल से यही निकले, व्यक्तित्व हो तो हो ऐसा। So life skills are not very difficult which we can't learn, and this is automatically will come through many things, you know. So we have to be very acceptive first of all to learn all these things, what changes we required, what are our interests. If we are doing things of our interest, then life skills are already there, and then you have to identify like what are your abilities, what are your interests, and then you can go ahead. So thank you very much for I really hope this session was helpful, and thank you all the patient listeners for bearing with me. Thank you so much.
So, any participants who wants to ask questions from Ms. Reena Yadav, it is an open question answer round. You can switch on your video and you can ask directly, or you can
you can ask.
You can put your question in the chat box also if you want to.
So if you are facing any issue or if you are facing any challenge, you can openly ask. क्योंकि बहुत सारा एक्सपीरियंस लाइफ में होता है, आजकल के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, बहुत सारी चीजों से गुजर रहे हैं, इवन जो बड़ी एज के भी लोग हैं. यस नित्या. Yeah, you are asking something, Nitya? Yeah, please.
Am I audible? Actually, मैम, I want to ask, जैसे आपने लीडरशिप स्किल्स के बारे में बताया एंड एग्रेशन कंट्रोल करना बताया, मैनी टाइम्स हम लोगों के साथ भी ऐसी सिचुएशन होती है कि वर्कलोड ज्यादा होता है, तो किसी से कैसे भी बात की जाती है, मतलब गलती से भी बोल दिया जाता है, और उसके बाद मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ऐसा होता है कि अगर उसके साथ प्रॉब्लम थी तो एट दैट टाइम मैं भी किसी ना किसी सिचुएशन को फेस कर रही थी, तो मैं किस लिए उससे अपोलोजाइज करूं या सॉरी बोलूं? इट्स ओके, उसने गलती की तो मैंने भी कर दी.
हाँ, तो फिर हम अवॉइड करते हैं और इट्स ओके फॉर अस, यू नो. और एट घर में भी हम यही करते हैं, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि हमें जो एम्पैथी मैंने बताया आपको कि एम्पैथी, ट्राई टू बी अंडरस्टैंड द अदर पर्सन पोजीशन, कि वो क्या फेस कर रहा है. ठीक, अगर दूसरा बंदा गुस्सा कर रहा है और तुमने वो चीज किया भी नहीं है, तुम्हें मालूम है यू वर राइट और तुमने बहुत राइट डिसीजन लिया था, बट जो रिएक्शन आया वो बहुत नेगेटिव है, तो हो सकता है वो जो पर्सन रिएक्शन कर रहा है आपके साथ, मे बी ही इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम अदर थिंग विच ही कांट डिस्क्लोज एंड विच ही इज नॉट अवेयर. सेल्फ अवेयरनेस मैंने बताया ना, कि अगर इंडिविजुअल वो सेल्फ अवेयरनेस है उसमें कि वो गुस्सा कर रहा है अभी, तो वो रिएक्ट ही नहीं करेगा. उसमें क्या होता है कि अगर बात दूसरा पर्सन अगर गुस्सा कर रहा है, दैट मीन्स वो खुद एक प्रॉब्लम में है. And that time, if we understand that person, if we give time to that person and react, not react immediately, just keep quiet. If you don't react, it is good. थोड़ा टाइम देके वो देन उसका जब गुस्सा शांत होगा, या जो वो जिस सिचुएशन से अगर वो जूझ रहा है, वो इवन खुद प्रॉब्लम में है इसलिए वो आपसे कर रहा है, दिस डजंट मीन कि तुमने कुछ गलत किया. तो वो ऐसा है कि आप उसको अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करो कि यस उसका एक इशू हो सकता है, कुछ चल रहा है, दैट इज व्हाई ही और शी इज रिएक्टिंग. और समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन कि वो कुछ एक इम्प्रूवमेंट्स भी होती है हमारे, मतलब सबका एक तरीका सेम नहीं होता कि वो प्यार से ही समझाएंगे आप लोगों को, बट ट्राई बियॉन्ड दैट कि वो रिएक्शन जो है, डोंट रिएक्ट टू दैट रिएक्शन, बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो उस रिएक्शन के पीछे व्हाट डज और ही और शी वांट्स मेक अस, कि वो क्या करवाना चाह रहे हैं या हमारे अंदर वो कौन सी स्किल को इम्प्रूव कराना चाह रहे हैं. तो एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड को लेके रिएक्शन करो जो भी आपके साथ एकदम से रिएक्शन करता है, क्योंकि डेली लाइफ में वी आर ऑल्सो फेसिंग द सेम थिंग दैट वी हैवंट डन एनीथिंग. और आजकल जो यंग जनरेशन है, इवन इन आवर ऑफिस ऑल्सो, दे गिव इमीडिएट रिएक्शन. ऑन द अदर साइड, दूसरे को अगर वो सेल्फ अवेयरनेस होगा तो वो रिस्पॉन्ड ही नहीं करेगा. So this is it, that give some time and try to understand that person position, why he or she is saying that.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, any other questions?
Ma'am, Vishal Jangra is asking how can we stop postponing studies to tomorrow?
Yes, वो थोड़ा सा एक कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आना पड़ेगा हम सब लोगों को. लाइक आज मुझे ये लेक्चर देना था एंड यू वॉन्ट बिलीव कि वो जो एक वर्क प्रेशर है मेरे ऊपर, इवन रात को 10 बजे तक ऑफिस का कॉल्स हैं, बहुत सारे ऑर्डर्स आए हुए हैं, बहुत सारे रिस्पॉन्स मुझे लोगों को करने हैं, बट स्टिल मेरा एक कमिटमेंट था कि आज मुझे यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेशन में आप लोगों का सपोर्ट करना है और लेक्चर देना ही देना है. तो मैंने वो चीजें अलाइन की. आपका एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, लाइक टू डू लिस्ट है ना, पोस्टपोन नहीं करना है. पोस्टपोन करेंगे दैट मीन्स कि आपका सोने का टाइम हो गया, आपको नींद आने लग गई है, आपने एक कमिटमेंट दिया हुआ है कि घर में मुझे उसके साथ जाना है, आपका कॉलेज में कमिटमेंट है कि ये सब लेक्चर्स हो रहे हैं एंड आपको होमवर्क भी बहुत सारा मिला है, और एक आपने एक्टिविटीज एडिशनल कोई लिया हुआ है उसको भी फुलफिल करना है. तो मेक योर प्रायोरिटी. टाइम मैनेजमेंट जो मैंने आपको बताया कि वी कैन ओवरकम विद द टाइम मैनेजमेंट एंड विद ऑल द स्किल्स विच आई एक्सप्लेन इन द स्लाइड्स. और इफ यू वांट दैट आई शेयर दैट स्लाइड आल्सो विद एवरीवन, टाइम मैनेजमेंट का. तो उसमें तरीका बताया हुआ है कि टू डू लिस्ट, लाइक आप एक डायरी पक्का रखिए, अपना काम जो शुरू करेंगे उसमें आपका 10 वर्क अगर है उनको प्रायोरिटाइज करिए और अपने आप को एक कमिटमेंट दीजिए एंड जस्ट कम आउट विद द कंफर्ट जोन. कंफर्ट जोन में हम रहते हैं तो हम बहुत सारी चीज ऐसी पोस्टपोन करते हैं और अपना कैलिबर कैपेसिटी को कंप्लीटली पूरा यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पाते.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Anisha Garg is asking that sometimes we take too much of stress for particular thing, although we are doing our work in right manner, but still sometimes we go towards overthinking. So how to overcome that?
तो ये मुझे अपनी बेटी की याद आ गई है, ओवर थिंकिंग जो इन्होंने बोला कि शी हैज सो मच कैलिबर, सो मच गुड स्किल्स इन हर, बट वो कई बार सोच ओवर थिंकिंग क्या होता है? ओवर थिंकिंग विल इंक्रीज द नेगेटिविटी. जस्ट कम टू द पॉइंट. क्या होता है कि हम एक चीज को वैसे ही देखें जो उस चीज का रिक्वायरमेंट है. लाइक अगर मुझे आज ये काम करना है और पीछे से किसी ने उसको क्रिटिसाइज कर दिया, मतलब किसी भी चीज के लिए, बट मेरा मेन फोकस होना चाहिए कि आज मुझे अगर ये काम करना है. जस्ट सी एंड लिसन व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम. अगर आप ओवर थिंकिंग, दैट मीन्स अगर आपके किसी के रिएक्शन से आपने ओवर रिएक्शन कर दिया या ओवर थिंकिंग शुरू कर दिया है, तो आपका डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाएगा और फिर वो पोस्टपोनमेंट, फिर वो सब आप चीज कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाओगे. सो थिंक, जो चीज जैसी है उसको बस उतना लेना है, आगे पीछे स्टोरीज ऐड नहीं करना है उसके, एंड देन स्टार्ट डूइंग द वर्क.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
और उसमें भी क्या होगा, जैसे ओवर थिंकिंग में जब आप अपने आप को एंगेज कर लेते हो बहुत सारी पॉजिटिव एक्टिविटीज के अंदर, आप एक नेगेटिविटी से जब आप हट जाते हो, सो यू डोंट हैव टाइम टू ओवर थिंक बिकॉज यू हैव सर्टेन गोल्स इन योर लाइफ which are more important than overthinking and reacting to the situations. So you are focused and concentrated in that way.
Ma'am, Lakshit is asking that how to be resilient.
तो वो मैंने लक्षित आपको बताया था, इसमें दिखा दे जस्ट. हाँ, सो लक्षित, मैंने जैसे आपको बताया था कि आपको बहुत क्लियर होना चाहिए कि आपको क्या बोलना है. क्या होता है कि कई बार हम अपना जो व्यूज है ना उसको एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते हैं दूसरे के सामने. हम बहुत सारी चीजें अच्छी कर रहे हैं बट वी आर नॉट एक्सप्रेसिंग आवरसेल्व्स कंप्लीटली एंड क्लियरली. जैसे कि अगर मैं बात करूं हमारा ऑफिस में कि एक ने एक टास्क दिया और उसने वो टास्क नहीं किया एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम के ऊपर, या घर में पेरेंट्स ने अपने बच्चे को एक टास्क दिया बट बच्चे ने नहीं किया, तो समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि वो एक फियर क्रिएट होता है जिसकी जरूरत नहीं होती है फियर क्रिएट करने के लिए. वी शुड बी बोल्ड एंड हमें क्लियर होना चाहिए कि अगर मैंने ये काम नहीं किया है, आई शुड टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Yes, this work is not done by me even after the commitment, but I have to do it. तो आपके अंदर इतना बोल्डनेस होना चाहिए कि सामने वाले को आप वो चीज एक्सेप्ट करो कि नहीं हुआ है और ये गलती हुआ है, और आप वो चीज अगर जब क्लियरली दूसरे के सामने बोलते हो, देन यू कैन गेट द पावर ऑफ रीडूइंग द थिंग्स. अगर आप नहीं बोलोगे, अगर उसको इलेबोरेट करोगे बहुत सारी चीजों को, तो उसमें क्या होगा, कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट होता है और आपका जो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस है वो डाउन हो जाता है.
Any other questions anyone want to ask?
If somebody is facing some issue or something like that, it may help others also if you will share over here. Because nobody is perfect. We are learning and lifelong we will learn.
Yash Kumar is asking that how to get self-motivated at every time.
Every time is it like, see, we are not robots, you know. Every time no one can be self-motivated. So we are human being, we have emotions, emotions of happiness, emotions of sadness, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. हाँ, बट अगर कोई सिचुएशन आया है नेगेटिव आपकी लाइफ में या स्ट्रेस आया है, उसको टाइम कितना देना है आपको। अगर आप सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड है तो मे बी इट विल टेक 1 आवर टू गेट ओवर दैट स्ट्रेस। अगर आप सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड नहीं है और बाकी स्टोरीज वगैरह में फिर चले जाते हैं, पास्ट में चले जाते हैं, फ्यूचर कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस क्या होगा उसमें चले जाते हैं, तो दैट मीन्स सेल्फ मोटिवेशन इज नॉट देयर। तो सेल्फ और एवरी टाइम नहीं, सेल्फ मोटिवेशन में क्या है, वही आप जो डेली एक लाइफ, मैं अभी अगर बात करूं अपने बच्चों का, तो जो उनका एक लाइफ स्टाइल है वो उनका सेल्फ मोटिवेशन में एक बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है। इफ यू आर जस्ट स्लीपिंग बाय 8 o'clock in the morning and the other child is just waking up at 5 o'clock doing exercise, doing some extra readings, doing some extra hobbies, तो वो सेल्फ मोटिवेशन ग्रेजुअली आएगा, एक दिन में नहीं आएगा। सो वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन आवर लाइफस्टाइल्स टू गेट सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड फ्रिक्वेंटली। एंड रिएक्टिंग टू सिचुएशन, दैट मीन्स कि आपको थोड़ा पोज होना पड़ेगा, टाइम देना पड़ेगा सिचुएशन को। बाकी अगर दूसरा पोजीशन, अगर दूसरा पर्सन का पोजीशन आपने समझ लिया, सी अगर कोई गुस्सा हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स वी शुड बी वेरी मच लाइक पिटी तो नहीं बोलूंगी मैं, लेकिन हमें उसका अगर पोजीशन में देखते हैं जाके, तो वी शुड बी सपोर्ट दैट पर्सन। यू नो, जब आप किसी को, आपने अपना पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज कर लिया कि अगर कोई रिएक्शन आया आपके अंदर से, बट आपने दूसरे को एक अंडरस्टैंड कर लिया, सेल्फ अवेयरनेस मीन्स दैट यू अंडरस्टूड कि आपको गुस्सा आया या कुछ एक एक्शन आया, रिएक्शन आया, बट आपने जब अपना डाइवर्ट, जो आपका एक थॉट प्रोसेस है, दूसरे पे कर लिया कि वो सामने से ऐसा रिएक्शन आ क्यों रहा है, क्या हुआ है, तो वहां पे आपको एक पोज मिल जाता है एंड देन यू कैन वर्क, मतलब देन यू आर एबल टू वर्क ऑन इमीडिएट रिएक्शन। और उसमें भी वही है कि अगर आप डेली एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो, प्रॉपर एक हेल्दी डाइट ले रहे हो, जब आप खुश रहते हो, लाइक कोई ऐसी चीज करते हो जिससे आप बहुत ज्यादा एक खुशी मिलता है, लाइक एक मोनोटोनस जॉब तो आपको करना है फॉर सर्वाइवल ऑफ द लाइफ, बट आप कुछ एक एडिशनल कोई चीज आप करते हो विच इज गिविंग यू हैप्पीनेस, तो वहां पे जो ये रिएक्शन वाला चीज है वो ऑटोमेटिकली बॉडी जो है वो कंट्रोल करता है। इट डजंट कि आपको एक सिस्टम है, ये फॉलो करोगे तो रिएक्शन कंट्रोल हो जाएगा, बट इट्स लाइक डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर डेली लाइफस्टाइल आल्सो, कि आप कुछ ऐसा एक अलग से कर रहे हो विच इज गिविंग यू, लाइक आपको पढ़ने का शौक है, नॉवेल्स वगैरह, आपको बाहर कोई ऐसा गेम है वीकेंड्स में आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेलते हो, या आपको लगता है कि आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ बाहर घूमने जाते हो, तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, हॉबीज हैं, जैसे आप ड्राइंग करते हो। कई बार मैंने देखा है कि जब बच्चे कॉलेजेस वगैरह में होते हैं और स्कूल में होते हैं, बहुत सारी हॉबीज और पार्टिसिपेशन करते हैं, तो हमेशा खुश रहते हैं, स्टडीज करते हैं वो जैसे सब बच्चे कर रहे हैं, बट एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ऑफ लाइफ की वो सब चीजें उनसे छूटने लगती है, वो चीज उसको टाइम दे ही नहीं पाते हैं जो उनकी हॉबीज थी। तो वो जो एक लैक होता है उनका इंटरनली, वो उनको समझ नहीं आता कि वो हो कैसे रहा है, क्योंकि वो जो एक चेंज ओवर हुआ है आपका, आप पहले स्टूडेंट थे, अभी आपने ज्वाइन किया ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जहाँ पे 10 लोग हैं जिसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपको काम करना है और एक सिस्टम के अंदर काम करना है, तो वो सिस्टम में जो मुझे लगता है आने में जो टाइम देने की बजाय हम उस पर रिएक्शन करना शुरू कर देते हैं। So every situation is different and we have to understand the situation what is required, but yes, आपको अपना हॉबी और उस चीज को कंसिस्टेंट रखना ही पड़ेगा if you want to become happy and don't want to react situations immediately.
Okay, I think that's all, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much for this amazing session. Now I would like to call Assistant Director of Training and Placement Cell of Guruji Vishwar University, Hisar, Mr. Aditya Veer Singh, sir, to extend vote of thanks.
Thank you, Rakshanda. Thank you so much, Ms. Reena Yadav ji, for enlightening us students with your vast experience and knowledge. And I hope many students have learned a lot of things today from you, and they will try to inculcate these things in their life, personal life, to make it a better. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming and accepting our invitation for giving this session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Now we'll have a group photograph. So I request all the participants to switch on their video camera. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Again.
Thank you, sir.
I would request to share the your PPT with me over the email so that
Yes, sir.
can be done to the participants. Thank you.
Sure, sir. Sure. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Pratap, sir.
Thank you, Reena ji. Thanks a lot.
Good.
Very nice talk. Very
Yes.
effective.
Thanks, sir, for bearing me
No,
so
no.
long.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Aditya ji, feedback form.
Yes, sir. It is ready. Just open it. It's open now. Participants can give their feedback and mark their attendance, and then we'll have our next session sharp at 2:30. I would request to be present at time. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please share the PDF with us?
Yeah,
I'll
I'll
share it
share
with
now,
you.
sir. Yeah.
I will share it with you. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank
If
you.
anyone need any help, I'll share my number also. Anytime you can help. Like anytime you can ask, because I am just handling my employees also. I'm handling my children also. I'm handling customer also. So one-to-one interaction will always help. So I'm always there for you guys.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
ठीक है रीना जी. हाँ.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.